Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making one of my favorite vegetarian dish. Yes man, and here are the ingredients. First, I soak the soy chunks. You know what? Let's just jump into it and just make this dish. When I dice it, I'll show you what it looked like. I am chopping up the carrots now. I'm going to be dicing the potatoes now. So I cut it in two, put it like that. Yeah, I'm doing it this way, but you know, you guys probably would do it smaller, you can do it bigger, however you like it, you know. It's not a special way. Yeah, so I already washed the potato and my carrots, I'm putting it in the pot now. Cover it. And that can stay there and cook for about 10 minutes. The soy chunks have been soaking for 15 minutes now, so I'm gonna put it in the boiling water and make it cook again for the next 10 minutes. Because you have to cook it, you know, you can just throw it in the thing and cook it down like that. You have to boil it. It's 15 minutes now, so what I'm doing, I'm going to taste it to see if it's really ready. Yeah, and this is completely finished. So my carrots and potatoes finished. So the next step now is the good part. I'm going to cook it down and show you. I'm putting in some oil now. Now I had my garlic, pepper, all purpose, my onions, and I'm putting curry. And black pepper. That's gonna just cook for a little while. And this looks so good. This looks so good, and I know the taste is gonna be wonderful. So I'm putting in the chickpeas so it can cook with the curry. And I'm gonna cover the pot now and let the curry cook for about half an hour. Then I had my potato and carrot. How beautiful is this? How beautiful. Wow, this smells delightful. Ooh, smells so good. So I'm going to cover it up now. Half an hour because the curry must cook properly. Some people mention, oh, you got to burn the curry. But once you put it in the curry and let the curry stay and cook, you don't really have to burn it. So I'm going to stir it up now. You see it sizzling, nice and pretty. Yes man, this is what you call curry chickpeas, man. This is gonna good to the last drop. Wow. Can't wait to dig in, man. I'm taking it off now, the cover, because I'm gonna add half cup of water and stir it up again and cover it back. Let it stay and cook. There we go. Look at that. Wow. That is, oh, smells so good. Whew. At this time I'm gonna put in the potato and the chunks. I'm gonna stir it up now. So you see everything. See? How is that? How that look to you? Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then with this, you can add a little salt if you want, a little more black pepper. You know, it all depends on, you know, your diet. A little more pepper. If you want, you can eat this with rice. Yes, I'm gonna eat mine. Just make a wrap with it. I'm taking out one now. I'm gonna load up my stuff here now because I'm gonna wrap it and I want a lot to eat tonight. So there you go. So let me give this a taste right now. This is great. You're gonna love it. Thank you guys for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. One love.